In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a single sheet within Google Sheets, a skill that can make collaboration more focused and organized. Whether you're working as part of a team or just need to share specific data with a colleague, this guide will walk you through the entire process. First, make sure you've logged into your Google account and have access to the Google Sheets document you want to work with. It's important to ensure you have editing permissions on this document, as there are some steps we cannot perform if you're limited to view-only access. If you haven't created the sheet yet, take a moment to set up your data in the desired spreadsheet. When ready, open the Google Sheets document from which you need to share an individual sheet. Next, you'll need to duplicate the sheet you want to share. This is necessary because Google Sheets doesn't inherently support sharing a single tab without sharing the entire document. Locate the tab of the specific sheet you wish to share and right-click on it. In the context menu that appears, select Duplicate. This action will create an exact copy of the sheet, which will appear as a new tab labeled with the original name, followed by the word Copy. Now, you're going to need to move this duplicated sheet into its own separate Google Sheets document. Again, right-click on the Duplicated Sheet tab and select Move to I. Then choose New Spreadsheet. A new document will be created in your Google Drive, containing only the sheet you intend to share. An important tip here is to rename this new document to something that clearly represents the sheet's contents for easy identification, particularly if you're working with multiple datasets. Once the sheet is in its own document, you're ready to adjust sharing permissions. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the screen in your Google Sheets window. You'll see a sharing dialog box where you can input the email addresses of those with whom you wish to share the document. Make sure you carefully select the appropriate permissions. Choose whether they should be able to edit, comment, or view the sheet only. If you're sharing it widely, don't forget Google Sheets provides link sharing options. You can retrieve a shareable link that you can distribute, which will be available under the Get Link section. That's it. You've effectively shared a single sheet from your Google Sheets document. Remember that the workflow we've discussed ensures only the selected sheet is shared, not the entire spreadsheet. This technique is particularly useful for maintaining privacy and focus when you're dealing with numerous collaborators or sensitive information. We hope this walkthrough aids in streamlining your work processes and boosts your collaborative efficiency. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.